I'll tell the library to use the Open Authentication 1.0a because the library supports other authentication methods. And then I'll have to call this method, retrieve request token, with only two parameters. The first one is the object from the library, and the second parameter is the callback URL, which is actually this URL. This URL. It's very important. You'll see why in a moment. So this is it. This is how you configure the library and how you use it. And the last one is actually starting the browser with the URL that is generated from the library. So you start an Android browser, and the browser takes care of the rest. So this is how you initiate the handshake with our platform, and then you want to receive the response, of course, from the platform. And here is the response. For you Android developers, you are familiar with this method on resume. It is called when your application resumes from a sleepy state. And here are the lines. They're not so much because this is the alert button. This is Android stuff. Here are actually, oops, this is security. So here are the lines that are actually getting the information from the browser. As you can see, I'm setting the library one more time to OAuth 1.0a, and then I'm making only one call to a method, which again takes consumer and verifier string, which I get. The verifier string, I get it from the browser. And then with these two methods, I can get the access token and the access secret. The access token and access secret, Lubo have told you about, that with this, you can actually access our APIs. So I have already got this access token and access secret. So I'm going to make a post request, a JSON request. Here is the body of it. So this is actually a JSON. This is actually a JSON in one line with the operation that you saw earlier, and the parameter is again the consumer object from the library. And this is what you have to do in order to execute a call, a successful signed and secure transaction to our platform. And then the result